out your squares. So you should have roughly 42 squares depending on which package that you chose. As you lay them out, you can separate them by the matching ones. And then I've even gone so far as to do the darks and the lights, because I want to try and do a light followed by a dark. Then we'll take a picture of it and see how it kind of flows together. So, I'm just going to move these down. Alright, and we're just gonna lay everything out. Just kind of, you lay it out your preference. And we're going to go 6 across the top and then 7 down. So when you take a picture of it, this serves 2 purposes. When you take this to the sewing machine to actually sew it together, if you forget where one row goes, you can refer back to your picture. You can also use your picture to look at it from a different angle to make sure that you are happy with the layout of it. So I'm happy with this layout. So what we're going to do is now take column by column and we're going to chain piece and sew them together.